Inclusive muito no início, calma, agora muito no início do treino. Não sai.
To kind of tough it out and to act macho, I guess would be one word, one way of phrasing it. And
earthquake relief line.
Again, this was a pretty scary incident.
A call from a man in Santa Cruz on SoCal. He says his power's back on. Crisis Service Program Manager Paul Molina, and he's giving us information as to what to do, how to cope. I think we're coping pretty well.
Cafe Zeno, A.D. Davids, Jamal Kruk were in there. That's where I was. 5:04, October 17th. In that cafe courtyard. As you can see, the building above it is rubble. Supposedly 2 people are trapped in there. I don't know if that's just hearsay or heresy about a lot of things get blown out of proportion. There are people dazed and confused. I think if you look at everyone's face, they look kind of like they don't know where the hell they are. Except for old Kruk here. Why did I go there? I haven't been there in a year and I went there yesterday. Why?
Get it all. They didn't even do much of it. Real estate developers, they love it. It's a big excuse. Bush came. Wow, what publicity.